listening to the Experience Pros radio show, where business revolutionaries Angel Tussey and Eric Raymer, best-selling authors of Lists That Saved My Business and founders of Experience Pros University, are inspiring you to get your business right. Let's join Angel and Eric for today's program.
Hello, America, and welcome to the Experience Pros radio show with Angel and Eric. Very nice to have you along with us today. Remember, we're here to remind you that small business is big business, and your business is our business.
Small business is big business?
Absolutely. Are you kidding me? You think about this. We come through the election cycle, and everything's all either yay or here's the truth. No matter which side wins, no matter which side is in office, no matter which side has control of the House and the Senate and all of that stuff, small business is the machine, the mechanism that literally keeps America on course.
Absolutely. And we think about, some of the different changes that are coming down the pike, tax-wise, employee benefit-wise. Entrepreneurs and small business owners are going to figure this one out.
Absolutely.
We're going to make sure that the business keeps running, that the country keeps moving forward, because we're creative, we're innovative. We have that mentality that nothing is impossible. And anything, if we put our minds to it, that we can create, even if it doesn't exist today,
right,
we will gather the troops together and we'll bring our resources together. And we still have to make payroll. We still have a business to run. And one of the things that I think it's probably like a blessing and a curse for small business is you get to be creative.
Sure.
You get to think outside the box.
And you have to be creative.
And you have to think outside the box.
Absolutely. You use the phrase, nothing is impossible. And, one of those things that defines the Experience Pros and the Experience Pros radio show and the experience altogether in business is that we really do believe that nothing is impossible. Many times when we were consulting our clients as a consulting firm, we'd start off with that question: if nothing were impossible, what would it look like? If you could, shed your limiting beliefs and think for just a minute, what would it be? What do you dream of? How do you perceive it? Because here's a guarantee. If you don't know what you're shooting for, you won't know when you hit it.
Absolutely. And as we kind of wind down, we're getting really close to the end of the calendar year. And as we wind down, as we kind of start to see the end of the year approach, I think we see a lot of people pull back.
Right.
They start to reevaluate what their goals were for the year and really kind of lay it down and go, well, we didn't hit it. We didn't get to where we wanted to be this year. And Eric and I, for the last several years, I remember, this was our slow time.
Right.
You came to me and said, Angel,
nothing you can do from November to March.
This is our slow time. Business doesn't happen. And I've already seen that. I've already heard it. That is the kiss of death to your business. We play all 60 minutes. It can be slow. If you decide it's going to be slow and you don't put the work in, you don't create the activity, you don't create the excitement, you bet it's going to be slow.
Sure.
January's going to come up, you'll have no momentum. And then February's going to come up, you'll have no sales. You have to play all 60 minutes. What do you want? We still have like 60 days left in the year, or 55 days, or whatever the number is, and I don't have a calendar in front of me. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter how many days are left. What are you going to do with it?
Right.
How bold are you going to be? How are you going to rally the troops together and create excitement internally in your company, and then take that out into the community and create excitement for the community, for your customers, for the nonprofits, the charities, your family, your friends, your Frank circle, friends, relatives, associates, neighbors, networks, and your customers. Nobody is going to be as excited about your company as you are. And if you're blasé, just turn off the lights now.
Yeah, absolutely.
Would you want to do that?
No.
Close the doors now? No, of course not.
That.
How stupid would that be?
Don't do that. Here's what we want you to do. If you'd like this business tip, you want to know a little more about our thought process behind it, why don't you pick up a copy of our book called Waste Less Time, Gain More Customers. It's available on Amazon.com, and you can just go grab that. And we talk a lot about this. Nothing is impossible, but you do have to take some action steps. That's your role. We'll be right back, and I guarantee you this. You know that we love our veterans here at the Experience Pros Radio Show. Well, we're not the only ones. And when we return, our guest is going to talk about how we can win for America. You're listening to Angel and Eric on the most positive business talk show in the country.
The Experience Pros are here to help you get your business right. To learn more, visit experiencepros.com.